Now, if you're going to think about you're hunkering down, are you going to be borrowing a lot of money? Well, at this point, borrowing's been pretty stable. We can see that across both card, unsecured, and term lending. You will see what I like to see here is the pink line in the top left, a little bit of change, a little bit slower on the term line side, but those lines from a card origination amount starting to pick back up. Again, these are the small businesses that are a little older than 24 months now, getting a little higher credit line. So that's certainly going to help from a lender perspective. If you're growing those portfolios, that's going to do a lot. Now, the other thing that you'll see across most of the industries is that we see from originations perspective, a little flat. You'll see transportation has been in a downward trend, but that's as you're tightening up credit criteria, that might not be the first place that you go. But you'll see some of the others pretty stable across originations. And as we go forward into this next few months, we'll be watching how small businesses interact with our products. And you can see on the right-hand side, the APRs. So from an unsecured perspective, APRs have been going up around 21% on average. That means that if you're a small business owner like me, you may look and say, all right, do I want to open up a credit card line at 21, 25, 26, 27% APR, or do I want to look at a term loan at 9 or 10%? So you can see the term lending side has picked up a little bit more than the unsecured from a small business perspective. But again, hunkering down, not borrowing as much. As we look at utilization from a small business perspective, again, we're seeing that actually pull back, not spending as much. We want to look for that this summer to see if it's going to level out, even pick back up a little bit more as prices pick back up a little bit. But as you talked about, are we going to pass on the cost, or are we going to hold that and have some margin compression there? If we're passing on the cost, then we may see that utilization open back up a little bit more and not as much compression or move up into the 33%.